Hello, engineers. The new year is coming up in 2024. So, what can be the trends in the year 2024 in the for engineers? So, we will look in some of the points that it become a trend in 2024. I have prepared a slide for you. Just look into the slide. We will start. So, we will be looking to the different trends of engineering industry in 2024. So the first one is that digital transformation and industry 4.0. So digital transformations become very prominent and it will be continuing to be there in 2024 and also for the coming years, because in all the core industries that digital presence is there, digital influence is there. So this kind of digital transformations paving the way for the industry 4.0. So integration of digital technologies like Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, and automation in manufacturing process to enhance efficiency and productivity. This is the first trend that's going to continue. The second one is that the renewable energy and sustainability. Everyone look for a sustainable globe or sustainable society where we want to preserve all the resources and also don't want to destroy our environment. So we all are looking for such kind of technologies which help us and our generations to live in this earth. So continued emphasis is there for renewable energy sources and energy efficient technologies and sustainable engineering practices to address environmental concerns. So that is renewable energy and sustainability is going to be a more concern point to all engineers, and they will be looking for those points to keep up the sustainability and environmental practices for in technology, for energy efficient technology, sustainable engineering practices, and also renewable energy is going to contribute for these efforts. So this is renewable energy and sustainability is the second trend. And the third trend is advanced material. Advanced material is always, there is a requirement of different kinds of materials with different kinds of properties. It's a very challenging thing for all the engineers when they go for developing new things in their industry or for a particular result. So development of new materials with enhanced properties for various applications, that is including the aerospace, constructions and electronics industries and medical and many industries. You take any industry, they will be looking for, even for advertisement any industry, even for jewelry industry, or if you want to develop some technologies like 3D printing, where they are looking for different kinds of materials so that their process can be a better and they can make it better day by day. So regarding the material, advanced material, there is still going to be a great trend on working on better material, also going to be more effort on this direction. And the fourth one is that artificial intelligence, machine learning in engineering. So increased use of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to optimize design process, analyze the complex data, and improve decision-making process in engineering. So artificial intelligence and machine learning is going to be the trend in 2024, and it get me more matured with each year. The fifth one is that 5G technology. That 5G technology has come up in India also. So we started using that. So integration of 5G technology to enable faster and more reliable communication in various engineering applications, including smart cities, healthcare, and transportation and manufacturing facilities. All places where the data transmission, communications, and other process is required, where the speed and efficiency is required in communication, 5G technology is going to help, and it's going to find new horizon of applications with 5G technologies. So in 2024, it's also going to be a trend. The other one is biotechnology and bioengineering, because advanced bioengineering for applications such as personalized medicine, tissue engineering and bioprocessing, and various other things are happening in this medical side. So biotechnology and bioengineering is going to spearhead those developments in the medical industry also. That is the other trends which is going to be in 2024. And also, seventh is smart cities and infrastructure development and implementation of smart technologies to enhance urban living, including smart transportation system, intelligent infrastructure, and efficient city planning. So all these places, that how efficiently, how speedily, and how better we can implement various things and bring more infrastructures and better facilities in our living places. So that is the seventh point, is that smart cities and infrastructure is going to be trend in 2024. And eighth is cybersecurity in engineering systems, because security becomes more concerned in whatever places, because in the age of internet, where the digital handling of many things, including data, including money, and various other things, is going to be a growing focus on cybersecurity to protect critical infrastructures, connected devices, and engineering system from cyber threats. So that also going to develop, that particular area also going to develop, because it becomes an essential need of the hour actually in the digital era. So cybersecurity in engineering systems is going to be a trend in 2024. And ninth is robotics and automation. This side of the technology was going developing day by day, and also getting more matured and find more applications in this area. So continuing development of robotics for task ranging from manufacturing, healthcare, as well as integration of collaborative robot in various industries, also going to be a trend in year 2024. Then augmented reality and virtual reality. So implementation of augmented reality and virtual reality in engineering for designing, visualization, and training simulations and maintenance purpose, and many other area where you may require, when if you want to market some products, you can have a physical presence, you can have a virtual presence more closer to the physical presence, you can get through augmented reality and virtual reality. So this also going to be a big trend. And also you can create the spaces, virtual spaces, access to all the five senses actually. So that kind of real type virtual reality is context we can make using this augmented reality and virtual reality tools. So this is also going to be a big thing that's going to be in 2024. So we can wait for all these technologies booming in 2024. These trends are speculative, and the actual trends in 2024 may be influenced by unforeseen technological development, global events, and other factors. So that I take a disclaimer also on those points, but it's going to be really going to influence, but there may be slight variation how deep they are going to impact, and it's depend upon the real type situations that is going to be in 2024. So I wish all engineers a bright 2024 in their life and in their career and their business. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you again. Bye bye.